Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome to day 11 of our 60-day health transformation journey. Today we're talking about incorporating superfoods into your diet. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that offer incredible health benefits. Some top superfoods include kale, blueberries, chia seeds, and salmon. Let's start with breakfast. Add kale and chia seeds to your morning smoothie. Kale is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, while chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. For a snack, try adding blueberries to your oatmeal or yogurt. They're high in antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and keep your skin healthy. For lunch or dinner, incorporate salmon into your meals. It's rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and brain function. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Sprinkle them over salads or yogurt for an added crunch and a boost of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can be simple and delicious. These nutrient powerhouses will help you feel energized and support your overall health. Thanks for joining me on day 11. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll explore effective stress management techniques. Eat well and take care.